More popularly known by its native token FTM, Fantom has recently been active in the crypto market, performing miracles. Fantom's recent gains have gotten the attention of crypto investors. To find out all about FTM, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers about the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what a parachain is, how it works, what it does, and more. So be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Fantom is a decentralized, permissionless, open-source smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets, one of many blockchain networks built to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom blockchain mainnet went live in December 2019. Its network architecture intends to offer a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a steady balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. The company is led by Michael Kong and his full-stack blockchain development team. Fantom features smart contract functionality and offers a safe and highly secure transaction and trading account system with no middlemen involved. Like other Ethereum alternatives, Fantom intends to provide more scalability and lower costs than the legacy first-mover smart contract platform can provide in its Ethereum 1.0 iteration. Fantom's infrastructure is tied together through its asynchronous Byzantine fault-tolerant proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which maintains the operational efficiency of the entire network. The ABFT network structure is designed to preserve network security while maximizing speed. FTM facilitates accessibility and security and results in minimal fees and near instantaneous transactions. Lachesis, its revolutionary ABFT consensus mechanism, allows Fantom to be much faster and cheaper than older technologies, yet highly secure. Moving averages are the most popular Fantom tools. The Fantom token is the platform's native cryptocurrency. Here's what it's used for: staking. Fantom uses a proof-of-stake model. Transactions are verified by nodes made up of people's Fantom tokens. You help secure the network and earn rewards by staking crypto this way. Governance. Since Fantom is decentralized, token holders decide their future. By holding and staking Fantom, you can propose and vote on changes. Network fees. Fees on the Fantom network are paid using its cryptocurrency. These fees are charged on transactions, deploying smart contracts and creating new networks. Payments. Fantom is a convenient way to transfer funds to other parties with fast transaction speeds and low fees. FTM powers the entire Fantom blockchain ecosystem. FTM tokens are used for staking, governance, payments, and fees on the network. There is a total supply of 3.175 billion FTM coins, with 2.5 billion in circulation as of March 2021. The remainder will be distributed as Fantom staking rewards. FTM is available as a native mainnet coin, an ERC20 token in the Ethereum ecosystem, and a BEP2 token in the Binance ecosystem. Anyone can participate in Fantom staking with a minimum stake of 1 FTM by using multi-chain to swap their ERC20 FTM or BEP2 FTM tokens for Opera FTM coins. Also, to operate a validator node on Fantom's permissionless network, at least 1 million FTM must be staked. Fantom provides a relatively dynamic and lucrative staking structure for users. Users can stake their FTM at will with a validator node for a 4% annual yield staking reward, a standard staking model. However, users can also take advantage of Fantom's fluid rewards by choosing to lock up FTM for a predetermined time, ranging from 2 weeks up to a year, to secure higher reward rates up to 12% APY. Fantom also employs a feature called liquid staking, whereby stakers can mint SFTM at a 1:1 ratio to their staked FTM to be used as collateral in Fantom Finance, a suite of DeFi apps provided by Fantom, thus allowing users to get more use out of their staked FTM. Fantom's approach to the DeFi and DApp landscape is innovative in its staking reward program structure. Further proposed use cases for Fantom's highly scalable smart contract platform are DApps related to supply chain management, payments, and smart city programs, some of which are already being piloted worldwide. As the first of its kind with its complex and unique infrastructure, Fantom's approach to fast, scalable DApp development is still establishing its place under the broader blockchain ecosystem. Although there is already much competition in the burgeoning DApp sector, the speed and interoperability benefits that Fantom offers DApp developers are notable, and the platform is poised to gain further traction. Diving deeper into how Fantom's Lachesis functions, we see how each network node contains its own directed acyclic graph, which records the chronology of event blocks and separate transactions. Each node achieves internal consensus independently. Confirmed batches of event blocks are then compiled into finalized blocks, confirmed on the more comprehensive Fantom network. Finalized blocks, which form the base layer Fantom blockchain, comprise confirmed event blocks from the independent nodes. While independent Fantom nodes will occasionally communicate with one another about transactions and events, they do not confirm finalized blocks or the overall state of the network. Fantom stresses that its POS mechanism is leaderless, which means no block leaders and no participants have a special role in its operation. Anyone can join or leave the node network at any point, and all nodes hold equal weight in the consensus protocol. This architecture results in a system that processes transactions quickly and achieves finality within seconds. One of the main draws of Fantom is its efficient transaction processing. It can handle thousands of transactions per second, settling transactions within 1 to 2 seconds. Transaction fees are typically a fraction of a cent. In May, it was reported that Fantom had crossed 3 million transactions and was the fastest blockchain platform. Fantom isn't the only cryptocurrency offering these kinds of speeds, and it may not be the fastest blockchain platform anymore. Solana can reportedly handle at least 50,000 transactions per second and charges a fraction of a cent in fees. Even so, Fantom's performance is very impressive. Fantom price brought past investors a massive good return on the chart trading before the onset of a new year. Current market cap of Fantom is $5,421,980,524.37, and circulating supply of 2,545,006,273 FTM. The 24 hours trading volume of Fantom FTM is $500,456,376.68, and the current price action of FTM stands around $2.13. Fantom price today is $2.78. With partnerships and community funding, the trading cryptocurrency market looks back at FTM crypto to perform. The predicted price of Fantom cryptocurrency will reach a maximum price level of $3.65, the average price to $3.38, while the minimum price up to $3.20, which is quite optimistic but surely feasible. Trading Beasts said, the Fantom price predictions by applying technical analysis is forecasted to reach $2.57917 by the beginning of January 2022. The expected maximum price is $3.22396, minimum price $2.19230. The Fantom price predictions for the end of the year are $2.65849. Based on our Fantom price predictions, and the price prognosis for 2026 is $13.345. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 534.64%. Fantom Foundation has announced many partnerships and collaborations. Companies can build Fantom-based private blockchain networks using its plug-and-play feature. It provides them with global expansion, a wide network of users and dApps, and continual developments and upgrades. Enterprise Fantom refers to a defined set of guidelines and Fantom technical analysis specifications to accelerate the adoption of blockchain technology among enterprises. Rolling out a huge upgrade called Go Opera, Fantom recently announced an invaluable contribution to the blockchain. This accelerated multi-fold transactions and improved other network efficiencies. With effective collaborations like that of Formula One driver Pierre Gasly and endorsement by Mark Cuban, Fantom has elevated itself magnanimously. In the world of DeFi as NFTs, Fantom has joined hands with Clover Finance and Superfarm that has further augmented its growth. Perhaps the most complex challenge for Fantom as we advance is stiff competition. There are plenty of alternatives to Ethereum. Cardano is the biggest and has seen significant growth of its own this year. There's also Ethereum itself, which is going through a series of upgrades to Ethereum 2.0. These upgrades will transition to a proof-of-stake model as Fantom has. These upgrades should improve transaction speeds and lower fees. Given its transaction speeds and the advanced smart contracts platform it offers, Fantom could be a solid cryptocurrency investment. The price has dipped since its all-time high, and it still has a much smaller market cap than some of its main competitors. There could still conceivably be plenty of room for it to keep growing. FTM can prove to be a valuable and sustainable source of income. With the information provided, you plan all your investments wisely and strategically. FTM can prove to be a viable investment decision for the long-term earning potential. There is no proven way of getting rich quickly, but investing in FTM can prove worthwhile. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts, FTM? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching, we hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.